Hi guys, it's Ray. We are coming from a different place in the house right now. We're sitting in the corner of my kitchen because I don't currently have a studio. I had a interesting day yesterday. We had that, storm, and we had a couple of power blips, and I was dealing with the pellet stove because when the power goes out suddenly, that shuts down rapidly and doesn't exhaust and creates smoke and a mess. And so while I was dealing with that, my craft room, where I only had a power strip plugged in that had my two printers plugged in currently and my Cricut plugged in, was melting and burning into the wall. So I got done dealing with the stove, and of course, that smoke, you're gonna smell it. And I smelled plastic burning, which the pellet stove doesn't usually give a plasticky burning smell. So me running around the house like a chicken with my head cut off till I find where it's coming from. I isolated it to that portion of the home, but yeah, so there's currently absolutely no power to my craft room. Unfortunately, that outlet is a junction box to the other outlet in the room. And so my plan to deal with the pellet stove and then go coat the cups that were ready to be coated that I had glittered previously did not happen. And I am actually glad I did not stay up overnight that night and get those turning, because this situation could have been a whole lot worse and in the middle of the night. So hopefully that'll get fixed soon and I will be back up. But for now, I'm just going to do an unboxing. I got this package. I do believe this is TeckWrap. I had reached out to them and said, hey, I see I have affiliate money. I'd really like to try this product. How do I use that? Because I have no idea. Like, I signed up with them, but I never really paid attention to it. So I still don't have the answer to my initial question, but this should be the product, because he answered back with, oh, well, hey, I'll send you a promo box. So I was like, okay, cool. So for now, I'm just going to do an unboxing. As soon as I get my turners back with power, I will actually put the product to use. Praying neither of my printers or my Cricut got ruined. The plug bar that was all on did its job, but I don't know. So hope for the best for me, if you could. I can't even find in my craft room because I had to move everything away from that wall, and that's where my desk sits and everything that goes through the printer. But I couldn't find my little, block out my address, any of that stuff. So, yeah, I'm in a bit of a state. But let's see. Here we go. This is the box they sent me. Oh my goodness, there's a ton of stuff in here. And it is a gorgeous. This is the mirrored chrome vinyl line. I have seen a lot of people use this. I believe this has the channels on the back because chromes like to lift, and the way they designed this one, it should not lift at all. It does have a protective layer on each of the vinyls, and these are quite cold because they literally just arrived at the door. So they may go through a little transition of color just on the packaging. But this is Begonia Rose. It is so pretty. This is lime green. I like this line because it's different colors than you typically see. This is camouflage olive. Also, I'm filming in the kitchen, so you're going to hear the fire pager in the background. Sorry about that. This is gorgeous. I very much like that the colors are different. They're not just like silver, gold, and This is Autumn Copper. It's almost like a rose gold coppery color. Fabulous. This one is Military Brown. Really pretty. This one is Cayenne Orange. I'm feeling a bit of the plastic back because the plastic is where the, you know, when you bring things in from the cold. I did the Military Brown. So this one is Satin Dark Green. So this is not a chrome, I don't believe, but maybe. Nope, this is just a regular vinyl, but definitely a color I don't have. I love that. And then this is Satin Wine Red. So maybe this is part of the chrome line. I'm not sure. I'm gonna have to look again on the website because I can't remember how many were in the chrome. Look at that beautiful color. I definitely don't have a burgundy or a maroon that color. So those are beautiful. They sent me another pin pen. This one's a mermaid. It has a refill. So that is fantastic because you guys know I go through pin pens like crazy. And then there's these, which are, this one says hollow sticker 15 pieces, and this one says laminate sheet. Okay, so this ought to be clear sheets for printing stickers. And then this will be the actual sticker paper. So that's cool. I didn't even know that was coming. Surprise. Trying to get this open. Oh yeah, awesome. So this is just like an actual flat holographic sheet. That's pretty cool. And then the laminate part is clear vinyl that you just put over the top of the stickers. That's what elevates your stickers and makes them waterproof and longer lasting for just straight use on water bottles or whatever. So it's not transfer tape. Oh, this is holographic too. Oh my god, very cool. So that's exciting. I will have to see if my Cricut will cut the holographic or not, or if I have to come up with an end around, because I don't have a maker. I only have an Air 2, which doesn't always like anything other than white. But you know me, I will wrap a tumbler in holographic. In fact, I would be very curious to do like an alcohol ink tumbler and just wrap the entire thing with the clear laminate one, just to see what that does. So yeah, thank you TeckWrap. I'm very excited for this package. And as soon as we're back up and running, we will definitely be using these products and getting them on tumblers. So that is it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.